So good afternoon everyone, this is Shubhra from Adbank Multiventure. Today we will know about how to use bulk WhatsApp panel. Okay, and what are the features and benefit of bulk WhatsApp panel? First, this is a login dashboard. We will provide you all the login details like username and password in your email ID. Okay, as well as on your WhatsApp group. So here's the IP which is 46.4.81.215. You have to log in your browser, any browser you can use. After that you have to put the login details like username. I'm putting my username. I have put my username and password, and after that it has been logged in successfully. Here you can see in the dashboard there are multiple options, which is send WA means send WhatsApp. Second is send WAPP history means WhatsApp history, schedule log and credit history. In like above and below, I will explain you everything. Today's campaign means how many campaign you have proceed today. They will show all the counts over there. Second is WhatsApp DP means you can send messages via DP. Here is a credit where you can use the DP features also, and it is a normal WhatsApp where you can use a virtual number for messages campaign. Okay, and the last one is DYN WhatsApp means dynamic WhatsApp, where you can use dynamically word like any other suitable words you can use. DYN WhatsApp means dynamic WhatsApp, where WhatsApp goes with different name and different numbers at a time. Okay, you have to upload the database file as per according to your content. That messages will be go dynamically. Okay, first we will know about send WA, and this is two we have. First is send WhatsApp, second is send DPWA. Okay, so basically the virtual WhatsApp work with a virtual number. There is no physical number, okay, which will go via WhatsApp. It will go with a random number. In there is a benefit that the your personal number will be not blocked anytime. Okay, and you can send at a time 1 lakh messages also. Okay, so first of all you have to select WAPP means send WhatsApp. After that WhatsApp page will open. Very simple interface it is. And first there is a section of numbers. In that you have to put all the numbers you have, like in your Excel sheet or database, wherever your number is there you can copy paste here. Okay, for example I am putting my number. Okay, this is my number. As well as same as it is, you have to put every numbers, or you can copy paste. Like if we have 50,000 number, 1 lakh number, 2 lakh number, you can directly copy paste here. After that you have to put the campaign name. Camp name means you have to give a certain name of every template or every content, where you can remember that in future that I have used this content for that purpose. Okay, so currently I am sending promotional WhatsApp for my product, which is verified WhatsApp, so I can uh, give the name of verified WhatsApp. Verified WhatsApp camp. Okay, after that there is an option of text messages, where you have to put all the contents what you have. Like I have a certain content I have that I will use. Just copy paste from my notes. I have paste over here. Okay, in that I have to attach some images also and some videos and PDF. Here is the options where you can upload maximum 2 images at a time, 1 videos and 1 PDF. I will suggest you can select 2 images or 1 image. It will look good with 1 image with content. It will go with attached. First images will be go, after that the content will be below. Okay, so I will select one content. I have select one images. Wait a second. it is like the file has been too large. Okay, you have to compress the file. Just select another image. Okay, this images has been uploaded. Okay, just delete that image. This image has been uploaded, and here's my content. So I just select the image and content, and everything I have just finished with my number also. Then there is an option of submit now or schedule. You can schedule the messages campaign, as well as you can, if you want to send currently or now, you can select send now or submit now option. Okay, here's a reminder that the campaign will be proceed within 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. with the working days like Monday to Saturday. Sunday will be off. Okay, so there will no messages will be go via Sunday. Okay, just remind that. And after 6 p.m. there will be no message will be go. Okay, any message if you want to send, you can send within this hours. Okay, then you have to click the submit now option. The messages you can see. Are you sure to submit WhatsApp campaign? Yes. After submit, you can see in the WhatsApp history. Okay, here's my campaign. Here's one number and here's the content, and the status is pending. In some time the campaign will be received. In every campaign, there is a process time which is 2 to 3 hours. In every campaign we will take 2 to 3 hours to process fully. Okay, so you have to wait. After that the report will be generated. After complete the template, complete the campaign, you have to click the download option. Okay, then after that there is option of schedule log. You have to click the schedule log. If you have scheduled any campaign within 24 hours or any weekly, here you can see all the campaign history. Okay, after the last part is credit history. How much packet you have purchased from your admin or any representative, that credit history you can see over here, with the date, particular date also. You can see any date previously which you have purchased. Here is a panel, all the details I have given you. You can same as it is follow. Okay, if you have any query, you can contact to our support team. They will definitely help to reach you out. Okay, thank you.